Hello, my dear surgeons and gynecologists. Hi, I'm Dr. Viking Bhanu. The much awaited video is back. Lots of people are requesting that, sir, please tell us when are you starting this observership course in laparoscopic surgery. So, here we are at Laparoscopy Lancers, teaching the art of laparoscopic surgery. Let me introduce myself to you. I am Dr. Viking Bhanu, and I am a general and a laparoscopic surgeon, and I do quite a bit of gynae laparoscopy with my gynecologist friends. I am based at Chandigarh, the Tri-City of Chandigarh, the most sought after city in India, you can say, a very sticky place. Once you are in Chandigarh, they say you would never like to leave Chandigarh. And why I am making this video on the move, the idea is laparoscopy lancers. Lancers, as you know, freelancing surgeries. We have all the kit in our car and we go and operate in the peripheral units also. And as far as my surgical journey is concerned, I was with the Indian Navy. I served for around 14 years, and in that period of time I happened to climb Mount Everest also, the summitier, and became the first doctor in the world to climb Mount Everest. So that's a different thing. So let's come back to laparoscopy lancers, teaching the art of laparoscopic surgery. Now, why did I choose to start this laparoscopy lancers? The whole idea is that what I want is that every surgeon and every gynecologist that is passing out or has passed out should know this art of laparoscopic surgery, because for the benefit of the humanity, a laparoscopic surgery is must, as incisions in the abdomen take a lots of time to heal. The morbidity is too much, and the things that can be operated upon, laparoscopy cannot be matched with an open surgery. Earlier the dictum was big surgeons give big incisions. Now the concept has changed. Believe me, the bigger the surgeon, the better the surgeon, the smaller the holes, and that's why the keyhole surgery. So at Laparoscopy Lancer, we are offering 3 types of courses. The epicenter of the course shall be Chandigarh, in and around Chandigarh, Tri-City, and the courses will be of 7 days, 14 days and 21 days duration. And how these courses will be, I'll come to it one by one. But before that, what we are aiming at is to teach you the basics of laparoscopic surgery in such a way that it should be drilled into your mind. And when you are sleeping, talking, walking, you should be thinking about laparoscopy, that you should learn laparoscopy. It's not like that, it's very difficult, I cannot learn laparoscopy. My hand-eye coordination is not good, and it takes lots of time for surgery to complete in laparoscopic surgery. In open surgery, in a half an hour, I can take out the uterus and close the abdomen. In an open surgery, I give only this much of incision and I take out the gallbladder, or maybe a small incision and I take out the hernia. I'll put on a subcuticular sutures. No, negative. That should never come to your mind. If that thing is coming to your mind, please take it out. And if it is actually your thought, then it's a wrong thought, as then that means that you are thinking of yourself only. Think about the patient. Please think about the patient. Why? Because any incision, howsoever small it may be, it's an incision. But in laparoscopy, it's not an incision, it's just a stab wound. And the skin incision is what actually pains. Muscle cutting is actually what pains. And chances of incisional hernia, wound infection, is plenty of chances of these things happening. So now, how to go about learning laparoscopy? You must be thinking that in your medical college where you are doing your MS or DNB surgery, you are not given that much of hands-on. You want cutting, and your professors and teachers are not giving cutting. No, that's a wrong thought. The thing is, you need to be a good observer to learn things. Read in between the lines. And here, what I aim is to teach you the basics of laparoscopic surgery, the formula of laparoscopic surgery, the keywords you can say in the language of IT these days. The formula of laparoscopic surgery. Once you know the formulae, the applications and derivations are in your hand. You can solve any equation very easily. Same is with laparoscopy. Once you are well versed with the main techniques of laparoscopic surgery. Training hands-on is actually not required. You do one gallbladder, one hernia, one lap appendix, or a one total laparoscopic hysterectomy, or even a single suturing or knotting inside an abdomen, you will become an expert. So what I believe, if you learn how to ride a bicycle nicely, then there's no limit. The sky is the limit. You can obviously ride a super bike also. There's no special training to ride a super bike if you know how to ride a bicycle. Only a bit of applications and derivations of the formula. The weather today is very nice. I'm traveling from Chandigarh to Kullu. Today my technician is not with me, so sometimes you have to drive by yourself. And coming back to the course again, so let's break up the courses. The 7-day course, shall be, the epicenter shall be in Chandigarh. You will come and we'll provide you a hotel stay, a single room hotel stay with the traveling. Actually, as we are lancers, you'll see around 25 to 30 cases in these 7 days as an observer, a pure observer, and there shall be no theory lectures, as theory is available all over the internet, all over the YouTube, and the theory you must have mugged up. There are lots of books over there. So we'll not have any theory classes, only real-time operation theater discussions of the case. And the most important part is you will be the part of the surgery, and as an observer I shall give you camera holding. Then you can know, as you must have heard your professor saying, a good camera surgeon becomes a good laparoscopic surgeon, and that's very true. In my FMC days, that's what I heard. And you believe me, I have never done a complete cholecystectomy in the MS days of my FMC. My teacher used to say, if you are a good observer, you will become a good surgeon. And that's how, when I went out after the MS, I went to as a single specialist at Naval Hospital, Goa, and I started laparoscopy over there. I did my first laparoscopic cholecystectomy, and believe me, that was excellent, because while operating I was just japping the mantra, ab aise karna, and things happened exactly the same way. When your mind is trained, hands start functioning automatically. It's like, you must have heard in Hindi, अगर जब देवता मन में आ जाता है या देवता शरीर पे आए तो ताकत आ जाती है. एंड दिस लैप्रोस्कोपी का देवता will drill it into your mind and you will start learning it. So coming back to the 7-day course, you will come to Chandigarh. Your stay will be arranged in Chandigarh. You shall travel with me to all my laparoscopic surgery centers wherever I do freelancing. You will be an observer over there, a camera person. You will be cleaning the instrument, watching the instrument, making friends with the instruments. Making friends with the instrument is the most important thing. So we'll give you stay, you'll travel with me, and the most important thing is we'll discuss the cases en route while traveling also. We'll have 2 vehicles. If you will be 5 people, a vehicle will be coming behind me or in front of me, and 1 or 2 maybe with me. You will first go ahead, assemble the equipments over there, make the OT setup, patients will be ready, and do a general ward round before the surgery, and then the surgery will begin. Anesthetist will again tell you how we operate. And you must have seen that in most of my surgeries, I am doing surgeries under spinal anesthesia, even total laparoscopic hysterectomy. That somebody will say is a taboo. No, it's not a taboo. And once you are an expert surgeon, low pressure pneumoperitoneum under spinal anesthesia is the best thing for the patient. I repeat, for the patient, operating under spinal anesthesia in low pressure pneumoperitoneum is the best. So the 7-day course starts from Chandigarh, traveling all around. You will be watching 25 to maybe sometimes 40 cases, all varieties of the common bread and butter cases like gallbladders, hernias, appendix, uterus, and that's all. We will not be doing or showing any big surgeries like laparoscopic splenectomy, hemicolectomies and all. Hydrated cyst once in a while may come, and emergency ectopic pregnancies are very common these days. But the thing is, you have to be geared up with me. You may have to wake up at 4 a.m. in the morning. The driver will be ready, hop into the vehicle, and we'll drive towards Himachal, Chandigarh, Haryana or Punjab. Now comes the 14-day course. What's extra in this 14-day course? Obviously, the number of cases you will witness will be more. It will be around 50 to 60, sometimes 70 if we are lucky. Obviously, we are lucky. Patients are not waiting for us. We are in a private practice. And in this 14-day thing, I will be giving you camera holding 100%. Under my direct supervision, you will be putting in the ports and a little bit of dissection with me as a camera surgeon. I'll be your camera surgeon and you will be putting ports and doing a little bit of safe dissection. That I'll calibrate your dissections. Patient's safety shall never be compromised. Do not worry. The patient's safety will never be compromised, as once you have a good mentor behind, no issues. Same curriculum will follow. Visits to Himachal, various places in and around Chandigarh, and obviously you'll get to visit Manali also, because we have a center at Kullu, Himachal Pradesh also, and that's just near to Manali, so you can have a trip to Manali also, that too on our vehicle. And we have very nice SUVs, 4x4 SUVs with us. If you want to drive them, you can go ahead and drive them with your friends for maybe one day or so. And now coming to the 21-day course. Why 21 days? Because everything can't be learned in 7 or 14 days. The 21-day course will be the master course. You can continue the course to 21 days. In the 21-day course, what extra you will do? Now you have observed around 25 to 30, maybe 40 cases in first 7 days. Put in the ports, become a camera assistant, watch the instruments, made friends with the instruments and all. Then in the third week of the course, I'll give you a bit of dissection, the critical dissection that will make you a laparoscopic surgeon. Because just operating a number of cases doesn't matter. You should know when, where and how to do it. Then you will become a laparoscopic surgeon. And mind you, I have taught quite a many of junior surgeons, youngsters and gynecologists, and they are doing excellently in their own fields. Everybody was telling, sir, please start the course, we want to learn. That's why laparoscopic lancers. So that was the course detail. The requirements is a MS or a DNB degree in obviously general surgery or gynecology, and urologist may also come, as laparoscopy is a part of urology also. Now the next thing is what to bring, what to expect, that I have told you. Now what to bring with you? You have to bring with you a empty hard drive. You understand that? Your mind should not be choked with your own techniques of laparoscopy, and you should not be so adamant that this should be done this way only, we can't change. You should be very flexible and absorbent, because अगर घड़ा पूरा भरा होगा तो हम उसमें और कैसे भरेंगे रे? तो what we'll do, we'll inculcate you the habit of a laparoscopic surgeon. Inculcating the habit of a laparoscopic surgeon in an operation theatre is very important, as the behavior and ego of the surgeon in the operation theatre is what defines the outcome of this surgery. So we'll teach you how not to panic, how to behave in the operation theatre. That's a very important thing. You must be saying that I'm teaching you these behavioral things, because every person in the operation theatre is watching you, including the anesthetists, the OT technicians, the nursing staff, and even the class 4 who is cleaning the floor of the OT. Everybody is observing you, and if they are telling good about you, that means you are a good surgeon, and they are the ones who will publicize you if you are doing private practice. Government setup, it's a different thing. People have no choice. They'll have to come to you only. Still, you should give them the best results, and a calm mind will do very good surgeries. And now the most important part, the other thing is fast surgery. As what I believe is, there is a big difference between rash driving and fast driving, and we'll teach you how to drive fast without hitting the pedestrians or going out of the road. Driving fast with control, as it is the era of fast track surgery. Fast track surgery doesn't mean that you go fast. It means do good surgery, swift surgery, and the patient should be discharged within 24 hours. And that is only possible if you do a clean and neat surgery. A low pressure pneumoperitoneum, very important in the recovery of the patient. And once you are on the track thinking about good surgery, then only you will become a good surgeon. So again, welcome to Laparoscopy Lancers. Visit our website www.laparoscopylancers.com, the Facebook page and the Instagram page that you must always you must be following. So the weather is packing up. There's nice rainfall. Let's see. Oh, it's cool. The temperature is showing 9 degrees in Himachal. So this is the best time for you to join us. The first batch of course will start on the first Monday of April. I think that is 7th of April 2025. The bookings will be open after 3 days. First come, first serve basis. You will be putting a small amount to register, and I'll be telling you how to go about the course. And you can come and join, and you will actually enjoy this laparoscopic surgery. The fees that you will pay will be peanuts of what you will learn over here. So that will be WhatsApping you, as it's a social media platform. It should not be spread all around. We'll be WhatsApping you the course detail with fees and the QR code or the bank details of Laparoscopy Lancers in 4-5 days once this video is uploaded, and then you can come and join us. What to bring along? A laptop, because there's another important thing in learning laparoscopy. Watch your videos. So after the surgery is done in a week or so, you will be editing the videos of the surgeries that you will witness as a observer, or maybe as an assistant, or as a in the 21-day course as a technical hand inside doing a bit of dissection and suturing also. The important thing is in this editing the videos is that you will revise the video time and again, because editing is a difficult thing, and in this era of social media, editing is very important. So once you are editing the videos that you have seen, you will see these steps, you will revise these steps. So video editing is very important, and we'll teach you how to edit it, and this will be a part of learning, and it will be around 30 to 40% of teaching that you get will be through this video editing only. Must be surprised what am I talking about it. That's how I learned. I used to record my videos those days, VGA recorders costing around 40,000, small VGA recorder that you must have seen. I've been recording all of my surgeries. I revise it at home. That's the way we learn laparoscopic surgery. There's again another query that the teachers at our medical colleges do not give us hands-on. They do not let us operate. The problem with laparoscopy is that like if you talk about an open surgery, everything is open, everything is in front of you. You are doing the dissection, learning. Anything that tends to go wrong or is going wrong, or if it has gone wrong, the abdomen is already open. Your mentor or your teacher will hop in and solve the problems. As the abdomen is open, they'll suture, they'll manage the things, and it's okay. But in laparoscopic surgery, there lies the biggest problem, because you are doing a laparoscopy, and any mistake you make, obviously as a new trainee or learner, you tend to make mistakes. Mind you, if you are not a good observer, then only mistakes will happen, else mistakes don't happen. And if you make a mistake in laparoscopic surgery, the patient has to be opened up. He'll land up in an open surgery. We are inside a tunnel. There are around 12 tunnels to reach Manali from Chandigarh. Beautiful 2-lane tunnels. So coming back to laparoscopy, the patient has to be opened to rescue the patient, and because of your fault or teaching, the patient's abdomen should not be open, and that's where your teachers stand very right. They cannot give you hands-on because they do not trust you that much, and even if they trust you, they will not let the patient be harmed, and that's what the Hippocrates told us. First, do no harm. So at Laparoscopy Lancers, again, we will not allow you to do harm to the patient. Everything will be under strict guidance. We'll have a bit of laparoscopy trainers, we'll have discussions, and once the whole of the laparoscopy thing is in your mind, obviously suddenly one day you will become a good laparoscopic surgeon. As you must have seen those old days Kung Fu movies, Jackie Chan cleaning the floor. Hey master, you are not teaching me Kung Fu. And he's not giving him the lessons of Kung Fu. They are just washing the floor, cleaning, washing the clothes, bringing water. And one fine day when these enemies come and he has to fight them. Suddenly he knows, oh my god, I know Kung Fu and he's best. He's beyond everybody. Exactly. As a laparoscopy lancers, I want you to be like them. And I'll be proud telling that that's my lancer over there. He's working in US, he's working in Africa, he's working in Tanzania, he's working in Canada, he's working in the interiors of Odisha or maybe Andhra Pradesh or Telangana or maybe Himachal. And you can also join me in my own centers as a resident, a 1 year or a 2 year residence in surgery and gynecology. So guys, see you at Laparoscopy Lancers, and please check your WhatsApp, the course details, the fee structure. Thank you and bye. Happy learning laparoscopic surgery.